Hey, here we are at HyR BRIX. I want to talk a little bit about my organic vegetable fertilizer. This product will outproduce any product on the market as far as a balanced nutrients that's going to last all season. Here at HyR BRIX, every product we have is blended to be a one application product that you put on when you plant. The rate of this product is 10 to 15 pounds per 100 foot in a 2 foot wide band. This is a 20-pound bucket. It will basically do two 100-foot rows, all dependent on your soil types. If you've got really challenging soils out there, I tell people to go ahead and put the 15 pounds on per 100 foot. There's scoops in these buckets, a 1 pound or a half a pound scoop. It's 1 cup, and that will do 5 feet of your row. So you just dribble that on in about a 2 foot wide, 5 foot area with the vegetable fertilizer. Again, this product is very well balanced. It has all your micronutrients and minerals in them. We start with a pasteurized compost chicken manure in here, so it does have a little smell to it. But in the organic industry, there's no better product out there or cheaper product, economical product than chicken manure as far as providing that organic source of nitrogen to your plants. Again, organic form is important. It's going to stay in your soils longer and be there during the growing season. The analysis on this product is a 118. I know that sounds kind of low, but again, the nitrogen being an organic form is going to be there all growing season. The phosphorus, just a great source of phosphorus in this product. Plus we add soft rock phosphate in here, which is a great calcium. Also another great calcium source, and soft rock phosphate comes out of Florida, out of the old ocean mineral beds. It basically has every element under the sun in it. And again, another great slow release form of phosphorus. We put potassium sulfate in there. I'm big on the calcium with potassium. That's going to push these plants at the end of the season to produce more. We want to stay away from potassium chloride, OO62. Of course, this is an organic product, so I can't put OO62 in this fertilizer anyway. But on the natural side, or the non-organic products like our vegetable, I don't even use it in there. It's all potassium sulfate. So again, here's a great, well-balanced, natural product for your organic growers. If you didn't have a good season last year, you've got to try this product. We're going to feed that plant all season and ensure availability of everything that plant needs all growing season. There's also probiotics in here. That's a fish, kelp, seaweed, yucca, also molasses and nightcrawler castings that feed the microbiology of the soil to help break things down during the growing season. That's super critical to use those little critters in the soil to break things down during the growing season to make them available to your plant during that reproduction time. And here at HyR BRIX, we're all about the harvest. So many products out there that make plants look great early on and just aren't available when that plant needs them the most. And that is when reproduction starts and through reproduction. So many plants fail. And that's what I see so much. So many people think that they have blight in their plants and they need to spray a fungicide. Well, usually 80% of the time they do not, because what they're seeing there that looks like a blight or a fungus is actually lack of nutrients in their plants. And that's really bad. So again, we want to have that one application when we plant to ensure availability whenever that plant needs it. We're eliminating the stress in these plants during the growing season. We're not going to have to come back and spray fungicides and insecticides and other foliars to keep these crops growing like they should. You know, other companies don't like what I'm doing because that's their whole goal, is to give you bits and pieces of the puzzle. Say, here, yeah, go spread this at the start of the season and things look, you'll get a good start. And then during the growing season, things start to fail. And so they want to come back and sell you a manganese or a zinc or a boron to try to cure those deficiencies. Well, once a deficiency's been occurred or shows up in a plant, it's too late. It's already been stressed from the lack of that nutrients not being there. It's going to be more susceptible to blight and disease, and you've already lost yield that you cannot regain. So my whole goal here at HyR BRIX is to make you better growers. People don't know fertilizer, and they don't know how to read a soil test, even if they take one, they don't know what to do with it. It's a huge puzzle that has to be put together, and we've done that here at HyR BRIX. The blends I put together, it's a balance of everything that a plant needs all growing season, and you don't have to pick and choose and spread different products during the growing season. One application, everything you need here in one product.